Hello everyone, welcome to another trading session. Today I'm going to show you a very interesting strategy that has been delivering consistent results. Watch this video until the end because I'll explain in detail how you can use this strategy to find great entry points. Hit the like button on this video and let's move on to the settings. Now let's connect the necessary indicators. First, we add the MACD, then the CCI, and finally the moving average. For the CCI, I set the period to 14. For the moving average, I choose EMA with a period of 200, color it red, and set the line thickness to 2 pixels. That's all the settings you need to start trading and finding precise entry points. Let's move on to trading, and I'll show you how this strategy works in practice. Okay guys, let's break down this example. The currency pair is Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, and I opened a buy trade. Here's what I see. The MACD shows a bullish crossover. The CCI is in a favorable zone. Most importantly, the price is above the 200 period EMA. In my case, the EMA 200 acts as a dynamic support or resistance level. I noticed that the price was consolidating right around this moving average, which often signals an upcoming reaction. That's why I decided to open a trade with a 2-minute expiration time to give the impulse enough room to develop. Let's watch how this trade closes, and then we'll continue looking for more solid entry points. One minute of your time, friends. Right now, I want to show you the statistics from my trading profile on the Pocket Option platform. Over the past 7 days, I've made more than $50,000 in profit. You can also see the stats for yesterday and today, and I share all of these results in my Telegram channel. But I don't just share my results. I give you the chance to join me. You can become part of my team, copy my trades, learn how trading works, and start earning alongside me. Even if you have zero experience, you can start with social trading right on the platform. It takes just 2 clicks and my trades will be copied to your account automatically. Join my Telegram channel. The link is in the video description. Subscribe and send me a message asking to join the team. I don't have a manager. I personally reply to everyone. And if you're truly interested in growing in this field, I'll help you every step of the way. Wishing you success and the drive to reach your goals. And now let's get back to the video. This trade closes in profit. Excellent. The trading scenario played out exactly as expected. With this strategy, it's actually quite straightforward to identify solid entry points. Let's keep trading and confirm its effectiveness in practice. Let's focus on this currency pair, euro to British pound. I'm opening a buy trade, and here's why I chose this exact entry point. The price is touching the moving average, the MACD is in a positive zone, it's positioned above the average values, the trend is upward. That gives me 4 solid criteria to enter a buy here. In my opinion, it's quite a good entry. Let's see how this option closes with a 2-minute expiration. This trade also brings me profit. Try experimenting with expiration times. In my opinion, 2 minutes is the golden middle. Let's keep trading further. I managed to spot this trade quite quickly. The currency pair, euro Swiss franc. I'll set the expiration time to 2 minutes and open a buy trade. As we can see, the MACD is showing selling pressure, but I'm not paying attention to it this time. The CCI is in oversold territory, and we also have a touch of the moving average. I believe this accumulation will break out with an upward impulse. It's quite an interesting setup. I've seen this pattern many times before, and it usually works out well. Let's see if it plays out the same way in this situation. The trade closes in profits. Not quite the reaction I was expecting, but the result is what matters. I thought there might be a stronger impulse upward, but the market gave only a modest move. That's okay. I'll let this situation go and move on to search for a new setup. Let's focus on the currency pair Swiss franc Japanese yen. The signal here is for a sell. We are observing a downward impulse and the end of a corrective movement. The MACD shows a buy crossover, but we are ignoring it. The CCI indicates that there is still room for further selling, and the price is just touching the moving average, which signals a selling opportunity. Just in case, I'm preparing a hedge because the situation looks interesting and I think it's worth staying in this trade. I opened the first hedge right at the reaction from the moving average. Risk management allows me to take advantage of this setup. Let's watch and see how it all unfolds for me. Yes, both trades closed in profit. This trading session ended without any losses, which shows that this strategy is definitely worth your attention. I wish you successful trading. See you soon. Goodbye.